I'm going to give you another source for data, but one that is a lot more difficult than Google Trends, and it is the census site. And it could help you get all sorts of data, locally to nationally to the state level, whatever you choose to search. So let's start out typing in Hempstead, and it's actually Hempstead Village that you want. There's a bunch of Hempsteads across the United States. Hempstead Village, New York, and click on it. And basically, it gives total population, median household income, bachelor's degree or higher, meaning college educated, employment rate, total housing units, percentage of the population without health care, total households, number of Hispanic, Latino, of any race, and average age, demographics, types of language spoken at home, 40.9% Spanish, 51.6% English. Now from here, what you could do is hit tables. And it breaks it down. It breaks the population down in terms of race. And this is valuable information. Let's say that you wanted to start a restaurant and you wanted to find out, is there a oversupply of a certain type of food in an area or an undersupply? So you're looking at the biggest populations, and it might not necessarily be a fit, but this data can lead you to conclusions. And for your project, that's exactly what I want you to do. I want you to justify what you are making based on the data. So here's how this works. Let's take a look at the sheet, okay? Now, show me your screenshot from Google Trends or data.census.gov that you did market research. Your market research in Google Trends needs to prove demand for each product in New York City, or Hempstead, that is. Now, take a look at this. For example, median household income. That is what two parents would make, two people, usually married. There could be a single household. But basically, if you're talking about a price point, you're obviously going to have to make it affordable for that. Like if you charged $70,000, that would be totally impossible. Taxes, this does not count. So we're talking about probably an earning power in the 50,000s. What product are you going to make that makes people really want to buy? This is tough stuff. So that's one way that you could use this data as an example. One thing that might be really annoying with this, for instance, if you're thinking about making a restaurant, and let's just say you wanted to make a Salvadorian restaurant, okay? It gives you Hispanic or Latino of any race. It lumps everybody together. So you could go to tables, and in tables you will see demographics, but it's very much black, white, Latino, Asian. You're not going to see Salvadorian. You're not going to see Puerto Rican, Dominican, Mexican. It's lumped together. But there's certain conclusions that you can have with this. So, for example, Netflix. Now, Netflix brought in a huge amount of subscribers by having Spanish-only programming, and being that we just saw the demographics of Hempstead, that is something that perhaps with your product you can see as an opportunity. So this data should be able to drive us into making decisions the way that Netflix did.